So what's your go-to troubleshooting method when dealing with unexplained flow timeouts or unexpected delays?
Yeah, so there's a few. When it comes to certain flow timeouts, obviously, as Isabel said earlier, you just got to go to the flow itself, pinpoint the action, try to find out what's going on. I've noticed that the weirdest ones is when I'm connected to some custom API that some other team is managing, and sometimes it times out, sometimes it does not. Usually in those cases, I would set up a separate flow where I'm just gonna go blast it with a lot of requests and try to like give them some kind of like Excel spreadsheet of like, here's what it's doing, here's the timeouts I'm getting, here it is what I send over like 10 records, 50, 100. Is there like a pattern I'm seeing? Maybe it's the amount of records I'm sending it, or maybe it's the particular endpoint that I'm sending it to. Like, does this endpoint work? Does this endpoint not work? When it comes to timeouts and delays, I'm experiencing them the most on custom APIs. So I just try to give the most thorough like document of what I'm seeing and try to run it through a bunch of operations. When I send them something that says, hey, this API is timing out, they're just like, okay, what? And they try it and it works. And I'm like, no. Like, here's actual data of what it is and isn't. That's helped me the most. Otherwise, timeouts and unexpected delays, I rarely get them incredibly inconsistency on like any Microsoft products or like tools. Like, sure, SharePoint is slow, but like predictably slow. Or if my Dataverse fetch XML is really complicated, it's going to be predictably very slow. It's rare for me that one of those is really misbehaving, is my experience. And if it is really misbehaving, it's like a one-off.